Subscribe to channel by pressing this red button and to get instant notification of my latest videos. So guys, in this video I will gonna do an unboxing of a Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this is the phone of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Here is a quick look for this. Here you can see Redmi Note 5 Pro and that's it. So here you can see all of the specification. Black. And let's unbox it for this. Now here you will get one case from a Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's it be aside. And here you will get one black color mobile. It is come with a dual camera like iPhone X. And this one is a warranty card, which one is of not use. This one is a charger, which is not a fast charger, only about a 2 ampere output. And one micro SD scale. Along with this, there is a one small ejector pin, and that's it. Let's keep this box aside. After that, we will do a phone boot. It's doing a boot for this phone. Keep this aside. Till that we will see your cover. This cover is a transparent cover. So here you can see this cover. After that, this is a box for cover. Let's keep aside. Let's see about the phone. Here is a dual camera for this phone. Warning, made in India. Below there is one headphone 3mm jack. Second, there is mic, USB. And after that there is a speaker and there is the MIUI 9. So let's go. Let's see English India. English India. Set our country. And on the upper side only you will get there is one and here is the ejector, and we will choose the keyboard for this. Keep fingerprint or only fingerprint. Back the screen lock. Yes, default. And here we go. This is the Redmi Note 5 Pro with its 3.5mm jack to the lower side and USB type B. And there is one for a MI remote and a primary. There is a two camera. Here you can see a camera with a dual flash. There is a camera which is one with a dual flash, one with a 12 megapixel and second with a 2 megapixel camera. On the front you will get there is a one flash here. Here is a flash and here is a camera, and here is a proximity sensor and a primary speaker. So you can check. Yes. Setup complete. And here we go. Now we will get this with the setting about phone feedback. And I know there is also update for a face unlock. So I will do update and I will show you after some time. Till that, sit back, relax and do whatever you want to do, and tell me how you like this video. Then give a big thumbs up and comment down if you have any queries. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share. and do whatever you want to do.